Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nothing Fancy Literacy. Today, we are learning about contractions. Quick question. Have you ever seen words like your or I'm? Why don't we always write the full words? Let's find out why. A contraction is a shorter way of writing two words. We use an apostrophe to show that letters are missing. Contractions make writing sound more natural, and help sentences feel smoother when we read them. Let's look at some examples together. You are becomes your. The apostrophe replaces the missing letter A. I am becomes I'm. The apostrophe replaces the missing letter A. We will becomes will. The apostrophe replaces the missing letters WI. Cannot becomes can't. The apostrophe replaces the letter O. The apostrophe shows us where letters have been removed. It helps the reader understand that two words have been joined together. Contractions are common in everyday writing and speech. They are often used in conversations and informal writing. Now it's your turn. Pause the video here. Rewrite the sentence using a contraction. I am going to the shop. Pause the video now. Let's check the answer. I'm going to the shop. The apostrophe replaces the missing letter in am. Let's recap. A contraction joins two words together. An apostrophe shows that letters are missing. Contractions make writing sound natural and easier to read. Thanks for watching Nothing Fancy Literacy. Keep learning and practicing by watching our next grammar video on using quotation marks when the speaker is introduced first.